Hi, and welcome back to another Teacher Tip Tuesday. I'm Stephanie with Archangel Education and Technology, and this week we're continuing our series on the use of digital cameras in the classroom. Last week we were able to discuss the use of digital cameras in the ELA classroom, and this week I want to highlight a few ideas for using them in your science classroom. So digital cameras are a great resource in the classroom because students already have them built into their one-to-one devices. Even if you don't have one-to-one devices, you can use them in centers, but cameras are built into laptops, Chromebooks, and tablets, and so they're a great way to incorporate technology into the classroom very easily, very flawlessly. So a way that we can use digital cameras to talk about science is that you can take pictures of the science experiments and how they're changing over time. That's one kind of obvious way that you can do it. You can print them or import them into the presentation software to label the steps and describe the procedure and observations within the scientific process. You can also track the phases of the moon, have students take pictures of the moon over a period of several days, import them into Google Slides, and show how the moon changes throughout its phase over a period of time. You can also have students for homework or in the classroom identify solids, liquids, and gases in pictures. You can identify living, non-living, and even once living objects within pictures. You can take pictures around campus and discuss characteristics of your environment. You can obviously use it to take pictures of landforms and bodies of water at home or when students travel from place to place. You can also document different types of weather and make a weather book. You can also do this with clouds and various types of precipitation. You can incorporate vocabulary words, and students then have a digital weather book that they can carry with them. You can display pictures of different phases of an experiment. And so one way that it would be fun to do this is if you're growing mold over a period of time, have students take pictures every couple of days to show the growth that they see within the baggie of the growing the mold. You can also have students draw and label parts of a cycle, whether it be a life cycle or a water cycle with sidewalk chalk. And then what they can do then is bring in those pictures, and you can use them for sequencing, have them put them in order. You can incorporate them into Google Slides or even Google Draw and have students put them in an order of the cycle to practice. And you can also have students take pictures of themselves or take pictures of each other. Then they can label the body parts and tell what each is used for, especially if you're learning about the senses. They can, ears are used for hearing, eyes are used for seeing, nose is used for smelling, et cetera, et cetera. These ideas of use of digital camera can be found on the Archangel Education and Technology Professional Development website, which the link will be included this week. Please take a look and let me know how you plan to incorporate digital cameras into your science classroom. Have a great week.